Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I think you all are fine at home. Today I'm going to teach you Computer Chapter 6 Logo Commands. In this chapter, we shall learn about logo commands. When we start MSW logo, the turtle appears at the center, which is called its home position. Simple commands of MSW logo make the turtle move around of the screen. MSW कमांड्स जो होता है MSW लोगो जो है इट्स जस्ट अ software to work on the computer. The turtle which appears in our screen, it is of triangular shape. So to work on this logo, we are having certain commands like FD, forward commands. Forward command is used to move the turtle forward. If we want to move turtle forward, so we have to use forward command. Using forward command, some steps are there. Step 1, type forward or FD. Press the space bar. Type the number of steps, then press the enter. This is the step to forward or to forward the turtle or go forward in the logo command with the help of these commands. Okay, students. So this is our logo first command, FD command or forward command. For it is a short form of forward, FD. Okay. For the example, the command forward 60 or for FD 60 moves the turtle about 60 steps. Keep in mind the following points while using the forward commands. When a forward command is given, the turtle moves in the direction which the tip of the triangle is pointing. जिस एरिया में ट्राइंगल का पॉइंट है मीन्स हेड है there is no need to use capital letters in a command. Only you have to write small letter. Always press the enter key after typing your command. Otherwise, the turtle will not do anything एंड एक्सेप्ट मोड कमांड्स. जब भी हम कोई लोगों का कमांड टाइप करते हैं तब हमें एंटर दबाना कंपलसरी होता है, अदरवाइज हमारे कमांड्स वर्क नहीं करते हैं. इफ़ यू टाइप FD, logo will display a message not enough input. You have to type on small letters. Okay. In response to forward command, the turtle always draw a straight line moving forward. जब भी आप forward command देंगे तो turtle कितना कैसे घूमेगा, straight घूमेगा. The turtle moves forward till it's reached the end of the screen and afterward it start again from the bottom of the screen. If the command is for too many steps, say 900s, then the turtle moves forward and takes 600 steps as the computer screen has got one. It will go any direction, whatever command you will give according to your understanding. Now we are having backward command. This command moves the turtle in the backward direction. Backward direction matlab back side. BK. While the turtle moves backward, its head remains pointed upward to draw a line in the backward direction. The steps are as follows. Type first backward or BK. Press the space bar key. Type the number of steps, then press the enter key. You remember that every time after giving command you have to press enter, otherwise whatever command you are giving that will not work. बैकवर्ड कमांड मतलब पीछे जाने के लिए कमांड. आप जो कमांड उसको दोगे उसी कमांड के अकॉर्डिंग दे विल वर्क. जिसके 4 स्टेप्स हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेप बैकवर्ड कमांड, सेकेंड space bar, third number of steps you have to type, then press the enter key. After that we will go to right command. Right command turns the head of a turtle towards the right side. While turning, the turtle stays at the same position. RT is the short form for right, to turn the turtle to the right side. RT is a short form of a right, to turn the turtle right side. Some steps are there to give the right command, like type RT, then again space bar, number of degrees, how many number step you have to give, then enter key. Enter key is compulsory after giving every command to move to the which direction you have to send. Like this, here you are giving right command to move towards right. If you will give 90 degree, so it will move 90 degree. For right command, you have to give degree. Which degree you want to send? 90 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. Which degree you will select, that side it will go. Now, we are having left command. Left command is used to go left side. Left side, for moving left side, we have to give left command. Left command short form is LT. So here are the steps are same like other commands. Left side means LT. Second step, spacebar. Third, type the number of degree. 30, 45, 90, 180 like that, and press the enter. That shows the degree shows the rotation of a turtle. Turtle moves according to the degree, whatever degree you will decide to move, left side or right side. Okay, now proceeding further, we are having home command. Home command, this brings commands bring the turtle to its home position. The home of the turtle is the center of the screen with the head point upward. It is also called the starting point of the turtle. Home point is a starting point. Wherever you want to start, the point from where you started, that is called the home point. As an example, type the following commands and see how the home command function. Like for example, we can do practical. FD60, then home. RT90, FD60, then home. However we will type, it will show the figure that where is the home and where the turtle started. Okay student, so it is a home command, that how to use the home command in our book. Now we are having CS command. We are having CS command means clear screen. Command is used to erase the drawing on the screen and bring the turtle to its home position. This position is help us to draw the to clear the screen whatever commands we have given earlier. So this is called the clear screen command. How it will work? Like FD80, RT90, FD110, RT90, FD80. After writing the last usage command, we will write CS and press the enter key. Whatever command you have given, that will erase from the screen. Now it's a seat command. Seat command is used to move the turtle heads to any direction without using the RT or LT commands. It is helpful to move any direction. There is no need of writing RT and LT. A figure shown on the right gives an idea of direction towards the turtle's head can point. With the help of set command, we can go any side. Here are some example of set command like home, then set 30, SCTH 90, SCTH 145 degree, SCTH 180 degree. When the set command is used, the number of degree by which the head of the turtle has moved are not counted from the current position. It is not counted. As we will give set command, it will go in any direction, only according to the degree. Whatever degree number you will give, either it is 30, either it is 90, or either it is anything. But here no need of typing LT or RT. Simply you can type SCTH and the degree number, then it will move to any position. I think students, you understand the chapter. Forward means FD command, backward means BK command, right yani RT command, LT means left command. I think you studied everything. So enjoyed the class. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bless you. and take care of yourself and your family. Have a great day ahead of you all. Thank you. God bless you all.